installation, you will need a flathead screwdriver. We will first locate the dome light. There are 4 clips holding the cover. Begin by using the flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover from one side. Compares all 4 clips. Pull the incandescent bulb straight out of the housing. Insert the LED bulb into the same slot with the LED chip facing down. Test our new LED switchback bulb before putting the cover back on. Switch the on and off button to change colors. The clips will need to be aligned upon reinstallation. Push the cover in until you hear a click on these 2 clips. You can compare the brightness difference with the stock incandescent light with our new ALA lighting LED lights.